afternoon, everyone. Now that we are on our way to Dallas-Fort Worth, I'd just like to take a few moments to add my own personal welcome and introduce myself to you all. My name is Anand Pasa, and it's my pleasure to be your in-flight manager. A special welcome to those of you returning from our Executive Club and to our customers joining us from our One World Alliance partners. I'd also like to introduce to you my other two senior colleagues who will be assisting me in ensuring your comfort and safety, and they are Hannah, who will be leading the team in the Club World cabin on the upper deck, and Shiraz, who will be leading the teams in the World Traveller Plus and World Traveller cabins. May I remind you all to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are switched on. And if you do open any overhead lockers, then please take care, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking, including e-cigarettes, vaping, and the use of other smoking devices is not allowed at any time whilst on board. This includes inside the washrooms, which are fitted with sensitive smoke detectors. For our customers in our first and Club World cabin, we do ask that you take care of your personal electronic device when adjusting your seat. If your device does get lost within your seat, then please do not move the seat, or please do not attempt to retrieve your device, but just let one of us know so we can help. We are pleased to be launching our free onboard Wi-Fi messaging service for all Executive Club members. To connect to BA Wi-Fi or to join our Executive Club, please type in shop.ba.com into your browser. This will take you to our homepage where you can discover all the prices and packages of the Wi-Fi that's available. To keep up to date with the latest travel trends, to find an original guide to your destination, or just tips on how to make the most of your time in the air with us, you are all welcome to read with our compliments the digital version of our High Life magazine. You can access this from the Wi-Fi login screen on your personal electronic device. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers, and please also note that video and phone calls are not allowed at any time during the flight. We are about to start our onboard service. If you have a food allergy or you would like information on specific allergens on today's flight, then please contact any member of the crew.